including this pink.
An elephant bird!
Why, he looks just like me. Except for the wings.
And except for the voice, because that's how a bird sings.
Gertrude, what'll I do? I'm slow and I'm fat. All I know is the earth. He'll need much more than that.
I have wings. Yes, I can fly. You teach him earth, and I will teach him sky.
Just call my name
And I'll see you through.
one small voice in the universe.
One true friend in the universe.
Who believes in you?
The adventures were over. The sky became
Pink!
and then guess what happened?
Well, what do you think?
The